Cloves medicinal properties. Please subscribe us Artharagari Sri Shiva Saithagal YouTube channel and click bell button. The grass contains carbohydrate, moisture, protein, walnut oil, fat, fibrous, mineral, hydrochloric acid ashes, calcium, phosphorus, thyme, riboflavin, niacin, vitamin C and A. Oil is taken from the bundle of bush, leaf and stem. There are various medicinal properties in the plant. These are often motivational and stimulating. The most effective treatment for many pains and stomachs, not the stomach, but the hormone. It is beneficial for the body to mitigate, assist the metabolism, balance the index, and regulate the flow of blood. The clove encourages the enzymes that digest the digestive organs. This results in digestive disorders. Fry the clove powder and grind half a gram of honey. A stiffness in the crack is a substance that stimulates certain organs in the stomach and prevents the vomiting. 4 grams of gallbladder in 3 liters of water and chopped to half the size of the cholera will be cured. If you eat a cup of salt with a little salt, then throat is irritated when the hammer is swallowed. To avoid irritating the throat brush, the baked clove is best. The respiratory tract inflamed by asthma to eat before going to bed with honey and white garlic juice with 3 drops of clove oil. Boil 6 cloves in 30 ml of water and put the honey on the chest and the asthma will be controlled. To get a mixture of cloves powder, mouth odor, gum inflammation and toothache are healed. Grape oil is affected by gums that are affected. 5 drops of warmth in a bowl and put the oil in the painful ear. To get rid of cloves in the cramped area, grate the salt in the milk and apply the adhesive to the head. Sugars absorb water in the head and lower the head. To get rid of inflammation in the eyelids, use the water to get rid of the gallbladder water. Cloves are also important for cooking, currying, and curry masala. It is also used in scented preparation and soap production.